Hey everybody. Well, have you ever had one of those days where you realized you really screwed up? Well, that's me today. I thought we were supposed to check out of this RV park tomorrow, which is your today. And a ranger came by just a moment ago and said, "So you're leaving here today, right?" I said, "No." And he looked at his board and he says, "Yeah, I got you checking out today." So I went to see if I could stay an extra day because I screwed up. And no, they're completely sold out. I can't stay. So we gotta hurry up and get the heck out of here. And I'm putting this little video together to share with you the fact that I screwed up big time. And I don't have time. I planned on spending the day finishing up the edits for the video that you're gonna see tomorrow, again, which is your today. And anyway, I screwed up and I don't have time to do that. So you're getting this little bit, which is going to be a sneak peek to what's coming. And what's coming is, I'm going to duck under here and get started. What's coming is we are going to dash across the country from Arizona all the way to Orlando. Basically, we're in the Phoenix area. Going to go all the way to Orlando in just a few days, 4 or 5 days. And we are going to boondock. I shouldn't say boondock. Yeah, I guess it's boondock. We're going to dry camp the entire way. No hookups, no RV parks, nothing booked. We're just going to boogie. So because of our wonderful Battle-Born batteries, we're able to do so. And, oh, check this out. Look at this thing. Hold on. Let me turn around. Look at the size of that guy. Big #1 grasshopper. That's a big guy. At any rate, so you're going to get a sneak peek. Well, not a sneak peek. You're not going to see any content of that. You're going to just get a heads up. That's the video that's coming next. Or soon. Actually, I shouldn't say next. Soon. The one I was supposed to finish today and get out is probably what you're going to see next. But you're getting this one instead. So I've got to put together, or put away, I should say. Put away all the hoses, drain the tanks before I do all that, disconnect power, connect up, and get out of here. We only have 2 hours to do everything. So I pretty much got everything done inside. Joanne's finishing up her stuff, and so I got to get going. So I apologize to all of you that you're not going to get the regularly scheduled video. You're going to get this one. And don't forget to like and subscribe and do all those wonderful things. And I just realized I got to do something to the truck before we go. There's always something. And ring that little bell. All that kind of stuff. Be the click monster. And don't forget, we're running that contest. Now, there is not a clue in this particular video. Sorry about that. But we are running the contest. So just keep track of all of the clues you see and guess it at the end. And don't forget, if you're a member, you get double entries, and if you guess the clue correctly at the end, you get 10 points, and if you're a member, you get 20 points. I should say points. That many more tries added to the bucket to win these 2 Cinch e-bikes. So, don't forget, you also have to be a subscriber to enter. If you're not a subscriber, you get disqualified. It's simple. Just click that little subscribe button. It's free. It costs you nothing. It's easy to do. Well, that's it for now. Thanks, and make it a great bucket list day. Goodbye.